Welcome to Spring Lib.
In this exercise, we have a person who's walking with a ball in his hand, and he's holding the ball at a height h above the ground. And at a certain point in his trajectory, the person drops the ball, and we want to know why the range x cannot be equal to 7 times the height h of the ball. Well, first of all, let's suppose that the person is walking with a speed v to the right. So for that reason, when the ball is released, it starts with a horizontal speed, v to the right as well. That's the inertia principle. And it has an acceleration g downwards. Okay, that's due to gravity. So in order to prove that x cannot be equal to 7h, let's find what v should be so that x is equal to 7/8. So first of all, let's start by assuming that x is 7/8, 7h, I'm sorry. Well, the range is equal to the speed in the x direction times the total time it takes to complete the trajectory. So the time it takes to complete the trajectory is just 7h divided by v. Okay, also we have that the height h is equal to g times the time it takes to complete the trajectory squared divided by 2. And this is true because the ball is accelerated downwards. So in order to travel a distance h vertically, it takes a time t. But I can substitute the time that I found before here in our formula for h. So we have g times 7 squared h squared divided by v squared. So this is 49 gh squared over 2v squared. And this is h. So the h's cancel out, one of the h's. And we have v is equal to the square root of 49 g h over 2, or 7 times the square root of g h over 2. Now let's take h to be about 1 meter. Okay, so suppose that the person is holding the ball 1 meter above the ground. That's a realistic approximation. So the speed v must be 7 times 9.8 meters per second squared times h, which is 1 meter, divided by 2. And this is equal to 15.5 meters per second. Okay, and this is much faster than a human being can walk. This is actually more than 50 kilometers per hour. So in order for the range to be 7 times the height, the person would have to have a speed that's much greater than the speed that the human body can achieve. So for that reason, it is not possible for the range of the ball to be 7 times the height.